name is Lee Noring, and in this video, which is titled Local Search Marketing Free Advertising Search Ranking Tips 101. Well, I uploaded a video not too long ago, under an hour, and the two major keywords in that video was local search marketing, free advertising. It is very important to include your keywords in the title. And here's the title of the video I uploaded, Local Search Marketing, Free Advertising, Get Listed 101. This video was uploaded 2 to 35 minutes ago. And right here you see my targeted keywords, local search marketing, free advertising. The other thing very important in your YouTube videos is to list your web page address the very first thing. Here is the YouTube video, and there's my picture. And right here you can see the full description. See, this is what a complete URL looks like. http://www. By clicking on the link, it will take you directly to where you want your customers to go. Now that's today's tip. Targeted keywords, pick two, list them in the title. So by putting it in very first thing, you're guaranteeing that people will at least have a link they can copy and paste to go to your web page, boosting your Google search engine rankings to boot. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.